In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I like to use my planner to be a little bit more productive throughout the week. Sometimes you lose track of what you've done that week and what you didn't do, so it's always good to write it down, and adding stickers to make it cute won't hurt either. So I'm going to show you what planner I use, the inserts I use, and I'm going to show you some stickers. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Okay, so this is my Webster's Pages planner. I love this color. It's very chic and sophisticated. I have a purchase color. I'm obsessed with it. So, and it comes with these inserts here. I'll show you. Very simple and plain, as you can see, but I like it like that because you don't have to worry about colors clashing. You might not want your week to be purple that week. You might want, you know, a different color. So I like that it's plain. I just got a lot of like leftover stickers. I didn't want to use a whole new kit. But so like I like to use these for like a checklist. So I'm going to put down my cleaning day stickers. I do have the basics sheets, so that if you needed like more of the same sticker, you can use it. But for this planner week, I want it to all match. So my busy cleaning day this week, I'm going to choose it to be Tuesday. Let's see, we'll do Wednesday because today I've cleaned, so tomorrow shouldn't be so messy. So I'm just gonna stick it over here, and then I am gonna make a don't forget section up here at the top because there's always something super important that I will forget. Always happens. And if I don't write it down, it's probably not gonna get done. So I like to use these headers here, and then I layer a sticker like this on top. I'm going to use this gold one. And then under here, that's where I will put what super important thing I don't need there. Let's go ahead and fill in the days. And then you have your decorative sheets, which I do love because they just make everything extra cute. Here's another little header I can make up here to mark off like my workout. So say I'm working out this week and I know I want to do like certain days, I can put it here just so I can see how much working out I did that week. And then you can also do meals, so like your dinners. Sometimes I like to plan ahead my dinners and I can write those out. And I do know some dinners that I'm gonna make this week, so I want to make this like chicken with like egg noodles, like casserole almost. So I'm gonna write that down so we can do Monday to right up here. And there is that. I gave you guys some ideas on how to use stickers in your planner. You will either look back at it at the end of the week and say, hey, I really did my thing this week. I packed my week out. I did everything that I could do. Or you didn't do much, which is fine. I have a habit of like spending all day thinking that I'm like doing stuff, and then I look around, I'm like, what did I actually do today? So writing it down, I can see it all in one book, and it keeps me well-rounded. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment down below on any other videos you want to see. Bye.